I have a Touchngo Model 100. This looks like it's an overhead door. Chain drive. Let me show you what's going on here. It does have a LiftMaster Security Plus remote connected to it, but watch this. This thing swung straight down when I released it from here, but it's still hooked on the back, so that's good to go. I'm gonna pull this back piece off just so I can get a better look at everything on the inside. All right, here's our up limit right here, and here's our down limit. I'm gonna turn this thing on and just kind of watch it, see what it does when it hits it, and see if I can figure out what's going on. I'm thinking the chain tension might be really loose. So I'm gonna try to tighten the chain tension on this and see if that helps it. All right, before I adjust this, you guys can see how low this chain is hanging. I'm gonna get my tool here and see if we can make the adjustments right here real quick. All right, I'm gonna adjust the up limit, see if I can stop it sooner if that does anything. I'm gonna pull this bar down and then spin this over. Yeah, that way. Get it closer to the up. See if that changes anything right there. Let's try that. See. So it did stop the first time. It's too low. So I'll bring it down a little bit. Let's bring the up limit down. Stop it right there. Lift this up. We'll just come down some. 2, 3, let's try that. Plug it back in. All right. I think that's good. Enough clearance. So what I did was I adjusted the chain tension a little bit. And then of course the limit, I don't know if that thing is going too far back or what it is. Seems to be working fine, so I'm gonna go with that. If you guys have anything else you think is wrong with this, you can let me know. But if it's working now, I'm keeping it like this, so.